Two giants in productivity, one crucial question, which one truly helps you get things done. On the left, the flexible, customizable Airtable. And on the right, the streamlined, integrated Microsoft Planner. We're taking them through real team use cases that matter. Collaboration, features, pricing, ease of use, and much more. Let's skip the marketing talk and dive into what actually works for you. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who takes the win. The results might surprise you. Let's get into it. Quick overview time. Here's what we're comparing. Price, power, and flexibility, ease of use and design, integrations, collaboration, and mobile experience. If any of these categories are make or break for you, pay extra attention. Okay, first up, price. So Airtable gives you a pretty nice free tier if you've got a small team, which sounds great, until, you want to automate stuff or add extra power. Then it's time to pay up. On the other side, Planner comes wrapped right inside your Microsoft 365 plan, so there's basically no extra charge if your company already lives in the Microsoft world. But hey, if you don't have Microsoft 365, that's a different story. Still, for most business users, Planner totally sneaks ahead here. Now, let's talk power and flexibility. And this is where Airtable just shows off. Want to build complex automations, link up different database-style tables, or just make your own funky workflow? Airtable's got your back. Actually, it might have too much for someone just wanting a basic checklist. I mean, you could end up with a spaceship when you just wanted a car. Planner, though? It's super simple. Board, cards, lists. Easy. Maybe too easy if you're a power user. So edge goes to Airtable on this one. Design and ease of use. It's kinda a toss-up. Airtable feels like a modern spreadsheet on steroids. You get views for everything. Grid, Kanban, calendar. It looks awesome, but honestly, there's a learning curve for all those extras. Planner, meanwhile, is so clean and minimal, a toddler could figure it out, especially if you're used to the Microsoft aesthetic. But yeah, it doesn't get fancy. I can't really call a winner. It's a real tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Airtable actually started as a Y Combinator startup all the way back in 2012. Talk about a glow-up, right? Integrations. Ooh, this is interesting. Airtable plays nice with like every app you can think of. Zapier, Slack, Google Drive, you name it. Plus you've got a pretty robust API for tinkering. The catch? Some of that magic needs a paid plan. Planner, unsurprisingly, is all about the Microsoft ecosystem, Teams, Outlook, To-Do. It's great if you're all in on Microsoft, but kinda meh otherwise. This round goes to Airtable, hands down. Collaboration. How well do these tools play with others? Airtable comes in clutch here, real-time editing, advanced permission settings, comments, you can get as fancy as you want. You might need to train your whole crew first though. Planner keeps it simple. Assign tasks, check status, everyone's on the same page. But no fine-tuned permission stuff. It works, but it's not, mind-blowing. Airtable edges it out. Mobile experience. Both have apps for iOS and Android. Nice. Airtable's good at letting you swipe through tables and boards, but you lose some features from the web. Planner sticks to its strengths, simple cards, easy notifications. Neither is perfect, but neither lets you down. I call this one another tie. So, putting it all together, Airtable's dominating in flexibility, integrations, and collaboration, while Planner's real advantages are price if you've got Microsoft 365 and pure simplicity. The scores really tell the story. Airtable edges out in the power categories, but Planner just nails it for budget-minded teams. If your team needs custom workflows, databases, crazy automations, oh man, Airtable is going to be your best friend. But you just want to organize tasks, stay in sync, and you're already living inside Microsoft 365? Microsoft Planner is going to keep things super chill and easy. If this side-by-side helped clear up your decision, hit subscribe so you never miss another honest review. Catch you in the next